Hello guys, and today I will show you how to use a voice control on your Sonos Roam. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, you need to make sure that you downloaded Sonos application and you have the voice control turned on. As you can see, I can manage the settings of the voice control. That means the voice control is on and it's working. Then we need to make sure that we are connected to our speaker with a Bluetooth. Let's open the Bluetooth settings. And as you can see, I'm connected to the speaker. So let's start with a voice control. So how to make sure the voice control is working? Let's take a look on this top panel on the speaker. As you can see, here is a microphone icon with a white light which is working. That means the microphone is turned on and the speaker can hear us. If we click on it, we turn off the microphone and we cannot use the voice control because the speaker doesn't hear us. Let's test the voice control. So let's finally test the voice control. We're gonna try play some music and put it on a pause. Hey Sonos, play some music. Hey Sonos, put it on a pause. As you can see, the play and stop is working pretty well. Now we can try and manage the volume with the voice control. Hey Sonos, play some music. Hey Sonos, make the volume on a 50%. Hey Sonos, make the volume lower. Hey Sonos, put the song on a pause. As you can see, the volume manage is working pretty well too with the voice control. Also, with a voice control, you can skip song to the next one or even set a timer. Let's test it. Hey Sonos, play some music. Hey Sonos, skip this song. Hey Sonos, put the song on a pause. Now we can try to set a timer. Hey Sonos, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, a timer for 10 minutes was just started.
Now we can try to stop the timer if you don't need it anymore. Hey Sonos, cancel the timer.
Okay, I've canceled your timer.
And the last thing for today is, if you want to cancel or stop the command you just given to the speaker, you just need to say hey Sonos stop or hey Sonos cancel. Using the voice control is making your experience with the speaker much easier because you can manage your playback or even set a timer without touching your speaker or your phone. That was all for today. Thank you for watching.